If you're here because you like the Cobras, make sure you hit the like button down below and also subscribe to this channel. Hey, what up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a filthy one. I got another project that I'm gonna use it as a flip to get more money to invest into different projects, and I'm sorry to do this to you, it is not a Cobra. So let me show you the car real quick. It is a decent V6. Yes, I said a V6 that has been repainted. Kind of kills me that they covered a nice paint, but let me show you the car. All right, here is the car. It's a 99 V6 35th anniversary. It's literally the filthiest car I've seen, and it has been repainted. I'm gonna show you why I'm not a big fan of this paint. I mean, it looks really good. It's a darker tone, but the paint itself should have been like blue like that compared to what you see up there. And also the car is really filthy inside. The seats are dirty. The center console is a mess. I don't want to even open that up. Almost feel like you're gonna get a disease. The headliner is all chopped up, but this is a good practice car because I'm gonna put a sway headliner in it, so that way I can refinish my Mach 1 too. And a review from outside. All right, and let's pop the engine open. See, more mess, more dirt. Already got like a few parts on the way because we are definitely going to rebuild this car to its fullest potential. And the baby V6, I actually don't mind this engines because it makes the car 400 pounds lighter than a V8, and it's much more nimble when you drive it around. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to pressure wash the engine, and then wash the whole car, and then we're gonna diagnose what parts we need to order to make it 100% like factory, and then we're gonna flip it for a profit. All right, so let's get to washing the engine. And now we're just gonna soak it up. All right, so far we got a car washed from outside. It looks much better. Notice the tint is all messed up. It's looking really good. I will have to polish the car, so I'm not worried about that yet. So now, show you the engine real quick. Look at that baby. She is clean. Alright, so next step is interior. Alright, so we're just gonna take out the seats so they are easier to clean. And let's see if we have anything good. Oh man, this is disgusting. Alright, we'll take out the driver's side as well so we can get a good clean on this. Oh, look at this filthy door. I don't know if you can see that, but damn. It's like animals. And this thing's gotta go. Alright, so far the progress, the seats are looking so much better. The engine bay is clean. The interior spotless. Still have to clean the dash, more of this. The next thing I want to use is a steamer. This is looking really good, but I just got to steam it a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to hit it with the steamer. Also, we're gonna replace this tail light here. It's junky looking. Got a new one off of eBay. It's nice and black. We also got better headlights. Well, used, but much better than the ones in the front. So let's install this and check it out. Alright, so we're gonna change this bad headlight out. Let's see the difference this will have. Old one out. Alright, let's see the example. Night and day. I'm gonna get the other one installed and we're gonna see the difference. Wow, smoked out headlights are way to go. Still gotta buff this out, but shit is looking good. Interior almost done. So now we just gotta hit it with the chemicals. All right, so this is the old, and here's the new one. Hit the brakes.
Brake.
Oh yeah, pretty good. Here is the finished product. The car has been fully washed, degreased, interior has been cleaned, and a little effort was put in it, but the results are awesome. Let's walk around. Painted the wipers, smoked out headlights. I just have to kind of resand them because this side is kind of a little bit messed up from my old car. I was originally going to use this for projectors, but I'll resand this and clear it, and I'm gonna show you the interior. That's what the worst part is. And actually this paint is not bad at all. Actually looks really good, even though it's one stage, so you can't get it like to shine any more than this, but it is really shiny. So interior, I don't know if you remember the door, but look at this. It's clean. The water was nasty coming out of here, and it's super clean. And the back seats as well, all nicely done. The only thing I have to take off is the tint in the back windows. I took the tint off the side of the doors because it was really bad. So, and let me show you the engine. That's where the main part is. I know this is cracked, but you know what, new owner can deal with that. And here is the engine. We power washed it. Looks better than what it was. So in the next video we do have to change out the thermostat and coolant, and we're gonna check the brakes, and we have to adjust the driver's side door. But for everything else, the car is really good looking and stunning, and the engine is actually really good too. So perfect. I'm happy the way it came out. And like I always say, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.